Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. How to change YouTube channel handle in Android mobile phone. First, open YouTube app in your mobile phone. Then, click on your profile from here. Go to View Channel. Click on Edit button. From here, change your handle and set a new one or edit this. Click on Save. Your handle has been changed. For more easy-to-understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.
Just quick help, as these videos takes time and a lot of hard work. So please make sure to subscribe the channel and like this video.